Today I'm here with this brand new 2019 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon, and this amazing Jeep has tons of great features including leather heated seats, media center with navigation, and a Sky One Touch power top. So I will definitely be showing you that later, so stay tuned. I'm Alana here at Woody's Automotive Group in Chillicothe, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year for the past 3 years. And you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this white exterior color. You have tons of red accents. You can see your hood ventilation on top there. And then you have your classic Jeep Wrangler grille, 2 tow hooks in the front with fog lamps below that. And you have your Rubicon decal across the side of your hood there, and this has a 3.6 liter V6 engine. Then looking down at your wheels, those are 17-inch alloy wheels. They look really great. This is a trail rated 4x4, so that means you can take it literally anywhere, go off-roading with it and everything. And then you have your Jeep Wrangler Unlimited badging down below. Your side mirrors are power adjustable and heated with blind spot monitoring and cross path detection, so it will alert you if there's a vehicle in your blind spot or crossing behind you up to 15 yards away. And then making your way inside, you have keyless entry. Looking at the front seats, we have these black leather seats. You have your Rubicon embroidered on top there, some red exposed stitching down the sides, and these seats are heated, so super comfy. But let's look at the power top. So unlike traditional Wranglers that you have to, physically take out the pieces, this one has a button, just one button. I'm just gonna press it one time and it's gonna completely open up the top of the roof. So this is really convenient because, you wanna be able to utilize that convertible top. You wanna be able to open it up when you want to, but also close it when you want to. So like say you wanna go out with your top down and then it starts raining and then you're like, oh no, what am I gonna do? Oh, with this, you just have to press a button. It's super easy, and it's really just a lot of fun to use. Then looking at